Congratulations! You've updated to Billing 5.10. This version introduces the ICD-10 codes, which have been delayed for implementation until 2015. In this session, we'll cover the basic changes to the system, including the new code file, searching for ICD-10s, the relationship between categories and ICD-10s, the use of keywords, and the activating and deactivating of ICD-10 codes. Additional training will be provided closer to the implementation date for ICD-10 codes. The first change users are presented with is a new menu item. ICD-10 has been added as a new code from the codes drop-down list. Reason codes still exist and still house the ICD-9 format, but all ICD-10 codes used by a system will be found in the ICD-10 menu. ICD-10 codes do not have the same characteristics as previous code files. Due to the magnitude of the ICD-10 dataset, a lookup field is not feasible for program performance. Did you know there are over 17,000 ICD-10 codes that deal with fracture? Your system has been populated with the entire ICD-10 code set in a deactive state. During the update process, ICD-10 codes were activated in your system when a qualified ICD-9 code was detected. The GEM file, or General Equivalency Mapping, links an ICD-9 to a likely ICD-10 code. Therefore, each customer will have a unique list of active ICD-10 codes after the 5.10 update, dependent on the active ICD-9 codes each customer had in their system. The code file has a defined description which cannot be edited, a report category field which we'll discuss next, and the full description. Users can create report categories for ICD-10 codes. Customers may want to consider a list similar to the previous implementation for reason codes. Report categories are created in the category code type and then can be applied to an ICD-10 code. ICD-10 codes also feature an effective and expiration date along with a usage field. These three fields are populated from the published ICD-10 code set and maintained by TriTech through Industry Service Pack updates. The usage field identifies to a user whether an ICD-10 code can be billed or not. In the future, the ICD-10 code set will be used for other types of documentation not directly used in the billing process. The ECM and form generators will ensure that only billable ICD-10 codes are used when printing 1500 forms or generating electronic claims. The bottom portion of the screen displays an area for keywords. Since the description field is not editable, users can customize and create alternate keywords for searching to quickly locate an ICD-10 code. ICD-10 code keywords have been pre-populated for codes that have one or more generally equivalent ICD-9 codes. Most users will not need to create keywords, as any word contained in the description field can be searched. In the example listed, a search for osteo, for patho, or for fracture will return the M80 code shown here. Since the ICD-10 code does not feature the magnifying glass previously used for searching, users simply type in tab to find their codes. Type the word or portion of the word you are looking for and then press the tab key on your keyboard. The results will then display in the Search ICD-10 screen. Only active codes are initially displayed. If no codes are found, use the Data Entry menu item, Include Inactive Codes, to expand the search. Use the row number to select the desired ICD-10 code from the search results. Select an inactive code and activate the code by pressing Ctrl-I. The same keystroke of Control-I is used to deactivate a code. Only active codes may be used on a call. Let's review. Each customer system is populated with all of the ICD-10 codes, but only the codes with a general equivalency mapping to an active ICD-9 code will be active. Users can attach keywords for customized wording, and the keywords are included in searching. A user may activate and deactivate ICD-10 codes by using the Control-I command or by selecting the menu item. For additional information on features in Billing 5.10, please see the other classes available in the portal.